In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Windows 10 product key. Understanding where to locate your product key is really important, especially if you're planning to reinstall Windows, move it to another computer, or just want to make sure you have it saved somewhere safe. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through one of the most reliable ways to find your key directly from your current Windows 10 installation. First, go ahead and open your web browser of choice on your Windows 10 PC. In the address bar at the top, search for how to find your Windows 10 product key. You'll see a number of results, but you're mainly looking for trusted sources that show you how to use tools already built into Windows, or simple scripts that read the key from your system. One of the most common approaches uses a small command run through PowerShell. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. I'll walk you through it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, then start typing PowerShell. When you see Windows PowerShell appear in the search results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If you're prompted by a security message asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. Running as administrator is important here, because reading the product key usually requires elevated permissions. With PowerShell open, you'll enter a short command that reads the key stored in your system's registry and displays it on screen. Carefully type in the command you've chosen from a trusted guide in your search results. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. Then press Enter. If your copy of Windows 10 uses a traditional product key, PowerShell should return a 25-character code, split into 5 groups of 5 characters, usually made up of letters and numbers. This is your Windows 10 product key. Take a moment to double-check that it looks complete and that there are exactly 25 characters. Once you see your key, write it down somewhere secure, or save it in a password manager or an encrypted notes app. Avoid storing it in plain text on a shared computer or in an email draft, just to keep it safe from prying eyes. Finally, when you're done, you can close PowerShell like any other window. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully located and saved your Windows 10 product key, so you'll be ready if you ever need to reactivate or reinstall your system in the future.